guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox Tomoko Gyu, an anime character from Demon Slayer. So let's start. You get a cover for no use. Tomoko Gyu from Demon Slayer. That's it for today, guys. Let's see you in next video. Bye bye.